Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glider ARK. The Glider suit skin is a fantastic tool for navigating the challenging environments of the ARK. It transforms your movement, allowing you to soar across vast distances and descend safely from high places. This versatile item is particularly useful for exploring treacherous terrain and escaping dangerous situations. Get ready to experience a new level of mobility and freedom in your adventures. Crafting your glider suit skin is straightforward once you reach the required level. You'll need a smithy and specific resources like metal ingots, blue gems, hide, and fiber. Remember, this is a skin, so it attaches to your existing chest armor, enhancing its utility. Be mindful that while the skin itself is indestructible, your chest armor will take durability damage during use, so keep repair materials handy. Mastering advanced gliding techniques will greatly enhance your mobility. You can control your descent and speed by adjusting your pitch, diving to gain momentum, or pulling up to extend your glide. Strategic use of the sprint button allows for sustained airtime. For even greater versatility, combine your glider with grappling hooks to navigate complex terrain, ensuring you can reach almost any location with precision and safety. Beyond the glider suit, several creatures offer fantastic gliding and aerial movement options. The Cinemacrops, a loyal shoulder pet, provides both gliding and a mini jetpack function, even negating fall damage. For a simpler, parachute-like descent, the Archaeopteryx is an excellent choice. And for speedy ground-level gliding, the Mewing is incredibly efficient. Each offers distinct advantages for your ARK adventures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.